Can I file bankruptcy without my spouse? Well, would it be a good idea to do this? Although you can always file bankruptcy without your spouse, it may not always be a good idea. If your spouse doesn't file bankruptcy with you, the theory goes he or she will still have good credit. But in many places, one spouse is always responsible for the debts of another. Therefore, you can't assume that your spouse isn't responsible for your debts just because the name isn't on the debt. Another concern that I would have about filing bankruptcy without your spouse is that property that ordinarily would be protected if your spouse filed with you might not be protected if you file the bankruptcy alone. As an example, let's say you and your spouse own 2 cars, both paid for. If you file bankruptcy by yourself, you can only protect 1 car. The bankruptcy court can take the other. But you say, it isn't my car, it's my spouse's car. Too bad. Under state law, property owned by one spouse could be considered to be property of the other. It doesn't matter whose name is on the title. Again, state laws will differ, so you may want to check with a local attorney.